In this video, we're going to talk about what graphic cards are best for PC gaming, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what to buy. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description. Below are the products mentioned in this video that is in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end, so you don't miss anything. Number 1. GeForce RTX 3080. Nvidia's GeForce RTX 3080 with the current Nvidia Ampere architecture continues to occupy our top recommendation. However, we want to be clear that this now applies to all RTX 3080 cards, including the RTX 3080 Ti and RTX 3080 12GB, depending on current prices. Right now, the best deals we can find are $740 for the 10GB card, $760 for the 12GB model, or $800 for the 3080 Ti. If you're serious about maxing out all the graphics settings and you want to play at 4K or 1440p, this is the card to get. It's more than you'll generally need for 1080p gaming, unless you're running the latest ray tracing games, in which case DLSS support should also help performance. DLSS also works without ray tracing and is currently available in over 200 games, so it's definitely a feature that's worth a bit extra. The one major concern with buying an RTX 3080 series card right now is the looming presence of Nvidia's next-generation RTX 40 series GPUs. Number 2. Radeon RX 6800 XT. AMD's Navi 21 GPUs like the Radeon RX 6800 XT represent the best cards for Team Red. The RX 6800 XT provides a massive boost in performance and features relative to the previous generation RX 5700 XT, as well as adding ray tracing support via DirectX ray tracing or Vulkan RT, thanks to the RDNA2 architecture. At current prices, which have dropped quite a bit in the past few months, the RX Radeon 6900 XT and RX 6800 are also worth a look. The 6900 XT, for example, now costs 17% more for about 5% higher performance, while the RX 6800 drops performance by 7% and also costs 7% less. The Navi 21 GPU was affectionately dubbed Big Navi prior to launch by the enthusiast community, and we got exactly what we wanted. It's over twice the size of the previous generation Navi 10, with twice the shader cores and twice the RAM. Clock speeds are also boosted into the 2.1 to 2.4 GHz range, depending on the card model, and AMD did all this without substantially increasing power requirements. The RX 6800 XT has a 300 WTBP, slightly lower than the RTX 3080's 320 WTBP. A big part of AMD's performance comes thanks to the massive 128 MB Infinity Cache. It improves the effective bandwidth by 119%, according to AMD. Few if any games need more than 16 GB, so the 6800 XT is in a great position in that area. Number 3. GeForce RTX 3090 Ti. For some, the best graphics card is the fastest card, pricing is damned. Nvidia's GeForce RTX 3090 Ti caters to this category of user. At more than double the official starting price of the RTX 3080, performance is only moderately better, 20 to 30%, in most workloads. It's also only 5 to 10% faster than the previous RTX 3090, with an even higher MSRP. But online prices are plummeting from the official MSRP, and the RTX 3090 Ti can now be found for as little as $1,100, opens in new tab. That's because even though the RTX 3090 Ti currently reigns as Nvidia's top GPU, the next generation Nvidia Ada Lovelace GPUs aren't too far away, and Nvidia and its partners are busy trying to clear out old RTX 30 series inventory. If you simply must have the fastest graphics card available, especially for 4K gaming, the RTX 3090 Ti fits the bill. The RTX 3090 Ti has uses outside of gaming, and NVLink support means you can pair two cards for professional apps and GPU compute workloads. The 24 GB of GDDR6X memory is also helpful in a variety of content creation applications. Blender, for example, frequently showed 35% higher performance compared to the 3080, and over twice the performance of the Ti and RTX. Just watch out for lower than expected performance in some of the SPViewPerf apps, where the Ti and RTX has additional features turned on in its drivers that aren't enabled for GeForce cards. Alright guys, that's all for now. Like I mentioned earlier, links to the best pricing on all items mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel, and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.